Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Vita Mahjong finish a level but then got stuck on a loading please wait screen that never goes away? Here's the fix. This loading please wait freeze after completing a level is almost always a server sync issue where the game is trying to upload your score and reward data but can't complete the connection. First, go ahead and force close the Vita Mahjong completely from your recent apps, and your completed reverse is already counted and saved locally, so force closing it won't undo your progress. Reopen and go back to the home screen where you'll find your level count updated correctly. To stop this from happening again, go to your settings app, then scroll to the list of apps to find Vita Mahjong or just directly search for it and confirm that cellular data and background app refresh are both turned on. Both are needed for the end of level sync to complete cleanly. If the post level freeze happens every single time regardless of your connection, update the Vita Mahjong app from the App Store. Go to the App Store and then search for the app and tap update if you see the option, since this is specific freeze has been patched in recent updates. So all you gotta do is force close and reopen. Your level is saved. Reopen to see your updated count. Turn on cellular data and background app refresh and update the app, and that's it. Subscribe.